Hello, smart friends. Are you ready for a brand new adventure? Because today's letter is N. Listen closely. Can you hear that sound? Na, na, na. It's the letter N. Today we're flying into a magical adventure, discovering things that start with N. Buckle up and use your big imaginations, because Dabdobo has unforgettable surprises. Let's go, go, go on our new journey!
Hello, heroes! Look at our new letter. This is the letter N. N is for nest. A nest is the warm home for birds. Say it with me. N, nest, warm and safe.
Look at this yummy snack. N is for nut. Nuts are tasty and very healthy. Say it with me. N, nut. Crunchy and healthy.
Look at this amazing animal. N is for narwhal. The narwhal lives in the cold sea. Say it with me. N, narwhal, unique and cool.
Hey heroes, look at what we use every day. N is for nose. The nose helps us smell nice scents. Say it with me. N, nose, smells, and senses. Look at what lights up the sky. N is for night. At night, we see the stars and the moon. Say it with me. N, night, calm and nice. Wow! Look at this music sign. N is for note. A note writes the music we sing. Say it with me. N, note, music and melody. Heroes, our adventure with the letter N was amazing. We discovered new things and learned fun words. But many letters are still waiting for us, and each one has its own adventure. If you loved the journey, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. See your next episode with a brand new letter and lots of surprises. Bye-bye, friends.